the side when it's Friday. That's right. So I thought you, I'm not stopping. Never will I stop. I love this game. 29th day of the month October, and we here, trust me, about to give you good music, about to serve you hot, about to do what you like. That is giving you good music. It's what we promise to give you each and every morning here on this show. My name has always been a Jenny Champion Boating Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money. From the Kwabena Costy. And now from my brand to the perfect gentleman. The show produced by my able producers. Led by DJ Shabo. Of course, you are the party band. Mr. Charles Nanato Pan here the first. Barry Maba. And on the same time, I can't hear. Sit back on my main car. Because the daddy is listening. It's a the main car. Alright, so good morning, I'm Koma Ella Daddy. Benson. Bishop Eric Lord Benson. Ella Benson, Papa. I see back on my main car. But Bishop and Patrol Befia checking mommy. Or if I can on road when it is not here. It's a Friday, Joe. This what we do on radio, Freestyle Friday. First time hosting. A musician on the show today. My man that called Marvel will come through the show this morning. And the energy was wrong. But this morning I was telling the fiancé, I'm sorry no pay. I'm in mood in the car. I wasn't in the mood at all. But I said, me be a gate back when I be a with I was a mood in the back. So we are here. I hope you're ready for us. We there, Charlie. We make ready every day, anytime for you. So we are breaking every protocol here today because it's a Friday. But there you can't have the Bob give you say Friday's day. You can't cast be Afra. You can't Dagban, you can't PG, you can't Brof, you can't Chinia because it's Friday. Right, so if you don't speak English,
hello Ghana, this is your girl Priscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Adiana Ekodi was your Adwuma. Ella when Ekodi was your I choke me with here. I was out for a forts and I blame for my Ella. Ella, mammy, video was your Ella not choking me. I choke me lose, I choke me blue. Alright, so if you speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Antete, if you speak F1, break me boy to bed. If you speak outside there from Laone, if you speak Rushi, Quete. Oh, yeah, Zimani news for accordion. Party for me, Patrol today. In fact, we are not stopping. No. Right, so let's do this music from VVIP, Book of Hip Life. Good morning.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. How blessed. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. How blessed. So many years. Been around the world. Everywhere. Stood there for here. Stood there for here. We never go nowhere. Thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop. Yeah, yeah, yeah. done that. Legendary. Wear down. Real name, my boy never sell out. Shake my hand, we can hang out. We've been around the world, yeah, Jinchi. Of course, I was applause. Imaya D, Omejani. Reggie, who can you marry the affairs about Drew? Almost hang us almost see Jack Muffrey Hall, they be. Ghana Hana, ya walk, Nimayana, ya free, and you miana, ya true. Okay, who can you marry? Say your crown canny jeans. Now, Munam Dazi, Namusha, some funny things. Canada romantic, Shana Mushebi. Some days, Tipayolanti, Tuanamu to be. Shout out to all the baller goods. Munam International, Mutroya, one news. Plenty brothers for this game, no be lawyer. Tupac Messi.
So many years, been around the world, everywhere. We stood there for here, we never go nowhere.
Thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop.
Talking about it, spitting bars, Reggie Rockstone, I own 2 bars. We are very, very important people. VVVIP, no equals. Been doing this thing since before the Tego twins. In Shrakwa, Bernie friend of blessings. Strong and healthy, good looking old man. Here to answer your nosy questions. Now, how long you been rapping? Way before your puppy getting driver license. Before Kwalabi Quatsons. Before Pijo Cha for Ghana past Datsuns. Before Kwachasem became nonsense. Zeal to my left, Prodigal AK1 for P to my right. Where Castro at, man, that's pretty alright. Then the people that few say, as I come join the group, maybe they gon' be fights. Nah, I'm ready to rock. Stone all devils with my inner light shine bright. Stop. VVVIP, very, very important people. Got this for life. God give us the gift, and so we will see. In good faith we believe till we go do great. Don't you try me. You wanna see me go down, why me? Spitting bars, Reggie Rockstone, I own 2 bars. We are very, very important people. VVVIP, no equals. Been doing this thing since before the Tego twins. In Shrakwa, Bernie friend of blessings. Strong and healthy, good looking old man. Here to answer your nosy questions. Now, how long you been rapping? Way before your puppy getting driver license. Before Kwalabi Quatsons. Before Pijo Cha for Ghana past Datsuns. Before Kwachasem became nonsense. Zeal to my left, Prodigal AK1 for P to my right. Where Castro at, man, that's pretty alright. Then the people that few say, as I come join the group, maybe they gon' be fights. Nah, I'm ready to rock.
But the people are asking questions.
In a light shine bright.
Reggie Rockstone said people think say as he can't join the group, he go be fight.
Got this for life.
But then people are asking say, so where the group and where they? The VVIP group, tell them collapse some or it's still there. Or we understood the talk say, nah, Reggie Rockstone talk say as he can't join the group, fight no go pie. But like how the thing they go and be like fights now pie already.
Reggie, who can you marry the affairs?
Groups we will grow man, we can't just say good, simple. The likes of 4S4. The vocabulary we say a good 4S4, your name say good or say good, your name can't say VVIP there. I'm going to put young as I confirm say group in a good. And I'm a
all that goes.
I will probably confirm say group in a good. Huta. I will probably confirm say group in a good. Huta crowd on back I am praying.
So many years,
Group on back I am praying. Huta. Massa, what's before you do media grow? Namogu, Namabani, I just to Huta. And your friends, Bruno. Ya bodada ya Broja. More harmless ya segu. Munim, I'm back. About Bobo Mao Groma. Right out here, kind FM. Senior high school cooking competition at Boston. I'm going
Then the people that feel say as I come join the
wow.
group, maybe they go be fighting.
oh, wow.
Ready to rock, stone or devil.
Oh, wow.
Right, stop.
Reggie, wow.
VIP.
Bro, chica crowd, now it's Reggie Kyle. Reggie said that.
Prodigal AK1 for P to my right. Where Castro at, man, that's pretty alright. Then the people that feel say as I come join the group, maybe they go be fighting. Nah.
Oh, wow.
The rock, stone.
I'm calling you, wow.
Then the people that feel say as I come join the group, maybe they go be fighting. Nah.
No, Reggie, this one they like.
Stone or devils with my right, stop.
Reggie, wow.
Very, very important people. Got this
This
a lot.
life we dey live, God give us the gift, and so we will see. In good faith we believe, say we go do great. Don't you try me.
And the studio have there.
Go down, why me?
And the studio have there. So stay tuned. Come on, will join me pretty soon. Watch now if you had with the
Some
jive.
funny things.
Yeah, no Johnny one saw Tony at the performance of Costo.
Lantiga to an amu to be.
Come on, will be performing tomorrow alongside
Munam international much.
Show Money.
Plenty brothers for this game will be lawyer. Tupac Messi.
I said, hey, so many years. Activity Indra no pa mamba wasapa misheda. They are off my phones. And them shut up and me do my phones too na. Na me so upon complaints. Jai. One message in the cage na I'm sorry. Man reply mashada.
Hey, y'all, who these kids talking about? They spitting bars. Reggie Rockstone, I own 2 bars. We are very, very important people. VIP, no equals. Been doing this thing since before the Tego twins. And Shrakwa, Bunny friend of blessings. Strong and healthy, good looking old man. Here to answer your nosy questions. Now, how long you been rapping? Way before your puppy getting driver license. Before Kwalabi Quatsons. Before Pijo Chapel Ghana past Jackson. Before Kwashem became nonsense. Zeal to my left. Prodigal AK1 for P to my right. Where Castro at, man, that's pretty alright. Then the people that feel say as I come join the group, maybe they go be fighting. Nah, I'm ready to rock. Stone all devils with my inner light shine bright. Stop. VIP, very, very important people. Got this
This
a lot.
life we dey live, God give us the gift, and so we will see. In good faith we believe, say we go do great. Don't you try me. You wanna see me go down, why me?
Raya the affairs album Drew Hall. Almost shaking so almost see Jack Muffrey Hall they be. Ghana Hana ya wa ni mayana ya free and you miana ya chua okay. Who can you Raya share your crown canny jeans? Na munam dazi na musha some funny things. Chana da romantic ya shana mushebi. Some days tip wa yo lantiga to an amu to be. Shout out to all the baller goods. Munam international muchro ya one news. Plenty brothers for this game will be lawyer. Tupac Messi.
So many years, been around the world, everywhere. We stood there for years, we never go nowhere.
Thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop.
Hey, y'all, who these kids talking about? They spitting bars. Reggie Rockstone, I own 2 bars. We are very, very important people. VIP, no equals. Been doing this thing since before the Tego twins. And Shrakwa, Bunny friend of blessings. Strong and healthy, good looking old man. Here to answer your nosy questions. Now, how long you been rapping? Way before your puppy getting driver license. Before Kwalabi Quatsons. Before Pijo Chapel Ghana past Jackson. Before Kwashem became nonsense. Zeal to my left. Prodigal AK1 for P to my right. Where Castro at, man, that's pretty alright. Then the people that feel say as I come join the group, maybe maybe they gon' be fight. Nah, I'm ready to rock, stone all devils with my inner.
Don't you try me. You wanna see me go down, why me?
Ukayem Raya the first album Drew Hall. Almost shagging so almost see Jack mo free hall they be. Gana ha na ya wa ni mayana ya free and you yana ya chua okay. Ukayem Raya share your cow canny jeans. Na mo nam dazi na musha some funny things. Chana da romantic ya shana mo shebi. Some days tip violent ya tuana mo to be. Shout out to all the baller goose. Munam internet soon na much royal one news. Plenty brothers for this game no be lawyer. Tupac Bessie.
Pull up on the fast car, baby. Drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be high like a rasta. Pull up, say rah, like a monster. Yeah, I got the rhymes like pasta. I wanna bust the move like Slim Buster and make a pleasure, like a pasta. Yeah, yeah, like a pasta. And when you see me come through, hide your daughter, hide your sister, hide your mother, hide your yeah. I just wanna get the paper. Cause I got expensive taste. Only pretty women on my radar. I got exotic things. I wanna party like a rock star, baby. Pull up in the fast car, baby. Drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be high like a star. Party like a rock star, baby. Pull up in the fast car, baby. Drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be high like a star. Oh, me pesica, believe to be okay. Never need anybody. I just wanna be happy, yeah. I just wanna get the paper. Cause I got expensive taste. Only pretty women on my radar. I got exotic things. I wanna party like a rock star, baby. Pull up in the fast car, baby. Drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be high like a star. Party like a rock star, baby. Pull up in the fast car, baby. Drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be high like a star.
Yo, I party like a rock star, might be with a pop star. She meant to be a good girl, but she with the gangsters. I ride around Accra, might be actually Mota. Young nigga from the block, but I turn into a monster. I buy away up, it's me a collar. It's a car I was posted shutting on the corner. Got this new show, she'll caught up in a moment, even though I
drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be high like a star.
Yo, I party like a rock star, might be with a pop star. She meant to be a good girl, but she with the gangsters. I ride around Accra, might be actually Mota. Young nigga from the block, but I turn into a monster. I buy away up, it's me a collar. It's a car I was posted shutting on the corner. Got this new show, she'll caught up in a moment, even though I don't adore her and I don't chill her. Party like a rock star, baby. You know I had to be a hustler, baby. Shorty pass it on, but maybe be no. I said I'm alright with a fan.
Party like a rock star, baby. Pull up in the fast car, baby. Drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be me pesica, feel so here you fucking. Yes, I'm a man, come in bed, yeah, plenty talking. All I need is my family to be okay. Never need anybody. I just wanna be happy, yeah. I just wanna get the paper. Cause I got expensive taste. Only pretty women on my radar. I got exotic things. I wanna party like a rock star, baby. Pull up in the fast car, baby. Drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be high like a star. Party like a rock star, baby. Pull up in the fast car, baby. Drop top, chillin' like a gangster. Wanna be high like a star.
Yo, I party like a rock star, might be with a pop star. She meant to be a good girl, but she with the gangsters. I ride around Accra, might be actually Mota. That nigga from the block, but I turn into a monster.
When I wake up, you be first thing on all day, men come me, baby. It's sweet, yeah, and jolly. Men come me, lady. Oh, my baby, you're a queen. Compliment me as a king. Get your boy and small, go do, baby. Bra, befin my no. Bra, befin my no. Bra, befin my no. Befin my no. Oche be a brand new woman coming for you.
Casemito, baby, is deep. We serious, me happiness. Yeah. Me body when you be a metro. A day, book say, Memra, who fly. Whoop on me, rejecter. Seriously, I will die. Oh, my baby, you're a queen. Kete boy, it's your mama go down, baby. Brother, fit my nose. Brother, fit my nose. Brother, fit my nose.
Kill me shy. You want to blow my mind? Oh, I don't know. My baby won't go. Baby, you go kill me shy. You want to blow my mind? Oh, I don't know. My baby won't go. You don't want me no more. You don't want me no more, girl. You don't want me no more, cause when you're there, yeah. You don't want me no more. You don't want me no more, girl. You don't want me no more, cause when you're there, yeah. Me you'll be out to sell, I must tell. It's your day, and now when you meet my wife, now someone names I won't find me, cause you're treated, yeah. And you can't dream, you're not me, baby, fire. Yo, you told me not to bother. And the rest of the day, why am I bola? And the rest of the day, why am I bola? And the rest of the day, why am I bola? Yo, you told me not.
I'm a water. Me racing me the mumbo. Why?
Bye.
You the fella?
Can't it is you I am wanted. See that thing that you need, that romantic.
Have a blessed day.
Your body physically boom, malamante. See, I'm talking to you, why you fronting? Hello, Ken Keshala.
King promise. Russia, you for read the green light to team it up at now area. Oh, bestie, maybe I'm getting jealous if I see you with your boyfriend. Oh, then I make nervous. Oh, oh baby, I bring me crow, my falling out from me body. My soul me pray, it's you then I make up for the mommy bestie. Russia, my betty. Oh baby, I bring me crow, my falling out from me body. My soul me pray.
Alright, so come over in the house. There are some who pray no at the end of ground and you crowd out to the other crowd. Right, so you can join us on Facebook. I think 93.3 of come over here. I come up over to say.
Yeah, Mia.
We are Boko. You share your 2 weeks now.
Your meeting, so I
see you share your video shoots, nothing you share.
Yeah,
2 or 3 weeks in.
Oh, video shooting there, I think 1 month. 3 weeks and now 1 month.
Yes. Right, I see, and then you have 20 weeks for. And that's so no. You need be that. Echo any na chance Echo na your first adisa you na ba adwuma so etenen ye betonum like really dey be your born nyom na for testing nursing DJ nursing
yeah
I say now who is this guy we are so for grow and I'm so fear we are nursing will be enche we so obepia sisi man kan chance say me do over obobo for amanfo your morning show host also ya da opa no po no say one day obeso oba morning show no so
oh sure
if you had the way ya da opa
we don't want
me say ya to no mo my instrumental bi na me say nko for feel komavo ene me feel komavo
yeah from me marvel yeah
You want
this one we do this time here I ain't care from when the Kwabena Costy DJ Shabo in here. Big up to everybody where they listen right now. Echo Marvel, echo, yeah. See what get them. Put on your dancing shoes. Come on, make we start with the move. Yeah, but I be jump. Don't stand with 90 yes, sir. We party all night long. Oh yeah, yamu penuni and you munini. I say then you that. Now you say, yeah, there's something about you. Be say be ama. One time, yeah, boom, yes, sir. Yeah, this is a dancing tune, young girl, Charlie freestyle.
My days! Oh my days! Come on, what would it be?
That's the mic.
What would it be? Maybe some me rap show home. It's your Kwabena me rap for Energy, 93.3. Come on, we in the house Friday 10 holiday. Hey, you're quiet.
Fire. If let me marvel. Yeah. So chucky. Mommy won't say we like it. Yeah. Beat today we are Jana. Okay, I'm funny biom. Okay, take me see me watch my boy me when I'm ba. And until you be to me hameda. Me no me ya pabe nyame na ne ba ne me ya nyomo na ma me ne munyina iti ma marvel na wa be yankona ma marvel na tu nyumi yankona ma marvel. Okay, take representing for all the year. No matter what them go do, the money day, but honey day, I down with day, shower leg, yeah. We're chilling for, I ain't kind. This time we
I'm coming.
Yeah.
Okay, have been talking about what done for a couple of years. After coming number samba, fresh in the ears. Can I open? Cook and a beer. Can I mental mark? Cause can never say. Trust me, watching over Chico. My job, my feet. Right, so we here 93.3 FM. I told you.
Yo, what's
it's a Friday thing.
It's a Friday thing.
So there will be some stress. I see a tugu baby.
Yeah, Charlie.
Shabo Bekumi. Another one from Shabo.
Okay. Okay, Tiwe. I'm in Fawe. Oh, that boy, me Timu, that DJ Nels, DJ Shabo. You call me Tempo. Now me expressing me who you.
Okay.
Mid tempo.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, Gigi and Nikake. And our channel move who be we the background so. Say baba. Right, so Bwakwa Herbal Clinic some ganja says typhoid fever, malaria, infertility, skin rashes be sexual weakness be na tetewa. Bwakwa Herbal Clinic watch more than Bangalo, Hojo Junction, Jabwati Fio. Wash your brother one treaty, one sawyare. Bwakwa Herbal Clinic de Bwakwa you misha, Bwakwa team misha na so Mespin Herbal team. And the Abajaman so Visrao. Ya rebia to be an amount sign can I wouldn't be Rabwa Yepa Bwakwa Herbal Clinic was Ibra and I am my best experience. I mean medical experience from Dr. Ofori. No treat to come upon friend was 0240226924 and 024853 for further details, no free. And for your property, come upon Pipias Yampedu Enterprise. There's the four secret provider. The cell we seal down our cement, iron rods, building wires, and not all pipes. In our Benabia Toy, PPS and Pedu Enterprise. I watch him on that. PPS and Pedu Enterprise, I watch him on that. Achim Oda, Akim State University, sorry, Akim State SHS, no. Hona Obe Huna friends, so you will upseat new market. And as well as your checkpoints, a penny junction from 0244166937, 0208299115. The studio is on fire. I will see a co break is over about You're proper. Are you ready?
Yeah. You family mother. Listen. A down boy, mintimu dede. Yeah, dio, bekana meet ye. Yenye. O down for yana yenye. Jai kasa, ting. Na, enye si kan pimpima. Memfremina, yedeno. Vim, ube huana meko. One to me, one time. Sweet girl, makume muhima, my diamond and pearl, intimi double pa, and I can tell, adia wuhia, nebema, what do me senia mi tibia eh. Sweet girl, makume muhima, my diamond and pearl, intimi double pa, and I can tell, adia wuhia, nebema, what do me senia mi tibia eh. Iti tobona, jehona, lesena, fremena, ningina mayama. The mum set me Adwuma, Timen, Warina, Nina, Metama. Very soon we go there on top. Now me a doom tea we there on cars. Very soon we go there on top. Now me a doom tea. The family mother.
Alright, so come on, what's up in the building? Come on, what's up in the building? Let's see how they about Tony Mosa.
Hey. Yeah. This is a Kumavo. Straight fire. See the way you look at me. Now ain't the kill me. I say, now ain't the boss my mind. Yeah. See the way you love me, girl. Now ain't the kill me. Yeah. Now he go cause me problems, so sweet girl, wait, dear, yeah, me fa. Oh, dear, with me, ja, oh, ja. Ha. Now we, yeah, me fa. Sweet girl, oh, yeah, me fa. Hey, be mo, ja. Haraba, I know they see anybody but you, yeah. Hope it up, meant to be, and baby, I got you. I just wanna be the one to make you smile. Baby, hold me tight, let's take a ride. Yeah, baby, do naga, yeah, you too naga. Yeah. Hold on, chichiri me. I want me damn. Hold on, me. See me damn. I am a salmon, sorry. I am a salmon, so this is a mixed feeling way near friend of feeling bam. Just so mommy, yeah, friend of feeling bam, Costy. Bam, feeling way, yeah, friend of feeling bam. The friend of feeling bam. Sweet girl, makume muhima, my diamond and pearl, it's in me double par, and I can't tell, adia wuhia, the bema wada me senia me tibia. Sweet girl, makume muhima, my diamond and pearl, it's in me double par, and I can't tell, adia wuhia, the bema wada me senia me tibia. If it's bona, jehuna, listen up, fremina, nina me yama, name me semi Adwuma, so men warina, nina me trama. Now we penetrate me, you don't know what kicking me, feel me, and mommy put buttons, riba, bye. What? Yeah, black girl, sweet things, slim things. I like the way you move things, do things. Yeah, let's go to everybody. Energy. The first thing. One.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's some every. That is why she's here.
Oh,
she's my producer.
That side.
But no, she used to sit here.
Yeah,
but she's there because of you.
Oh,
yeah, she's there because of you. I want you to save the energy, eh?
Yeah.
Try to make a go break come. Yeah, ba. Ella, you ready?
Yeah,
Ella. Ella, de me ya de Ella. Ella, hey. I dey go come in, but I can't say me Joe. I'll tell you the reason why she's here.
Oh, okay.
Eja mi nta adwuma
meje so ebro opening kwantabisa
eja we di anyama ni son na enya na wotwe ne na mbeto se wonu wo made video kafukafo abomachi a mo betebete mkoko yisu ene na su biem
me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enchiremu yagu koko yisu agu nanso de bia ye beba na ate ene akate age koko yisu afa
eya ben wunua na metensempa maka bia kirewo na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no oni di abebesere nokure wo mni se enura hodo e wodwa so ni nyina wo mo ne ate ne akate na fanyonko entizesi a omko nakranda entize wugu pe enye omohwe na duru ba ko a etim ate ne ken
de wo kan ye nokure sanse entesa enka emma ne seida
akate ken ye duru nwanwaso bia Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba na duru dini ne honam se na Ghana Cocoa Board so agiatum
akate ken wa mama koma Tomiyem
okuyani bia opeso obonu koko hu ban no wonye ntempa no kope akateken yibinto akateken eye koko nurumu nyina hene Rainbow Agro Sciences na die bedwa so bebia yeto okuyaye hu nuro bia obenya bia to ho so open dudu matua fra homan 0240897074 ana 0243639920 akateken obedi wo ho afriate ni akatensem
Ohima mianka mbojuma ewompem na asema yemre wompempa o
menua kawakoma atɔ yam amaje herbal clinic esa enyadowa nyina wonomo esa enyadowa bi te sɛ bema wayemre ewompem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadowa bi te sɛ asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwɛ na watenete ede amawo
sesei krampo na mefre dware bana so me ho keka me te sɛ zongola chichi ena achimi o
dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo bubu eguko anase woni pedua nyina ayemre wodane weni ede kire amaje herbal clinic wonomo ewo emfidie wo ho a wonomo ede ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonomo amaw anwedru wobehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan apoabo ene gas filling station no ene di enhweni mu fra won ewo telephone number edidi soyi eso 0244877840 anase 0205045655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa
Anobites ye duro bi anami sisi pa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom nyina ejan
maduro no aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle sisi me ne yire da be 30 minutes nti maduro no de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mesa e to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na me sisi na ya me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de se me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yire ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika ekoto obi me no mo ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi tese ne de za pa ase me sisi ye ya to ya nso me no me ni na akọ me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya za pa ebe boana ma ne yare bi e wo ya
ano heba bitters and ano heba capsules enura yu ko tobi atoni mienu ebom ubanya biato ewo atimoda ha ochiniba drugstore and Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato no bitters ano bitters
EPM Media College, the best media training school in the Eastern region. Abie napono atoho ama board of directors and the entire school management. Etunsa ede afre obibiara say ebreno asun say ye fa next batch of trainees. Ye radio and afe television courses ni nyina. Ye wia ya mount 3 months attachment. Ewo station bia wope. Ube wie no na ukra professional diploma. Ube timidia ye adwuma. Ewo Ghana ene amanoni nyina. Ye wonkoko Hotel Junction, EPM Media College, and She Media House Biasi. Enunti no sauba, ushia experienced presenters omufi free media houses ahudum ewo omaiga na munyina. And some chwejumana fa bia opa no. The right place, any EPM Media College. O performs ni bia fraying ewo 0241 393534 0241 393534.
Yes, wedding cooling. And you know my, I need just some no bedu. Frempon Enterprise, a Jumera, or Sibronyan, or Manaya or the Minia, we anya akradio, Nelson Bibia Obato, a free Frempon Enterprise, a free sabre, and a copim Sebroyan Becamono, who the Achania Shonko Crane Becofi, Annie, and who the Achinia Bienio, Sir Achimada, and an important radie, who pay super more, and in Yoma Bo at Dafodia, and one Frempon Enterprise, in Tisayamo, a citrate, milk, detergents, toiletries, just a provisions in Bia Open, one subacast, Nasawuye engagement, program Bia Oyeno, Sawuya Insa, Doko dear, announcer champagne, communion wine, Ninaye, wholesale price. So beton the offering Bon Enterprise, Bamponsem, a tight, Chronosembianiho, Frempon Enterprise, a Jume Ranono, Monia, Nachi Anga Jaquine, or Achimodan, or Mandarina Hotel, or the Achimdan Station entrance, and a Yenushe, Samson and a drink depot, no, our Mandarina, any PPP office, Abansurono, and Tabupe, only a Jume Rock, and Kasawa Homeso, 0244 897 525 0242 111 236. Frempon Enterprise, Anna, still a Jume Rock with deeper panache. Jesus Nurbano. Now what to say? Adama West African for asa Kenya won bio. E the trivo, edra, ekuma ate, akate, koko ntontom. Ene mwa ahodo a edi koko nya, na se koko abre kuafo.
Menu jai adanse akoko akuafo di for trivo ho nya agro. Kuafo nyina e bo se kire se. Trivo kumwa mo ane sa. E makoko no ho tono na asan asodoso. Enti amakoko akuafo botom ayede.
Na nika sam ne se, yemfa trivo bebre. Kakra bi, wo di atwa 10 miles. Nefa go moto bruno mu na fele nefa bo koko no bosome bia
trivo kum koko muamu no se kum nkosua nyina na eye adwuma basahare so se so bo trivo woni haw ewo koko mu kra
kai se koko board for ahwehwem age atum se trivo eye do papa ye de kum koko muamu nyina so obi pe bi ato a onko agrochemical shop bia ebe no nchen na so open dodo atu aton so a onfre Adama West African for ewo 0544 343532 and a 0544 348821 and a 0544 325030.
Ho ho ho! Ebreno Awiedu, Ahenkai 93.3 FM, the best in the East. Cooking competition, Yashisha Ediama Senior High School, no Nyamia Duma, Busumi ni de Tosu Ediasa, Anopanundu, Kay, Basu, Achem Abu Deba Grants, Pese, Ampaya, Ebeja, and Penfua Chuchu, Royam Potamha, a free chichini bench, and Ebabua, Medmede Ayakrabe, Onoyan for Alexander Kwasi Aqua, MP, Achem Odan, Onoyan for Victoria, Edu, MC, Brim Central Municipal Assembly, Onoyan for Alex Inkum, DC, AMA, Onoyan for Asare Danso, DC, Brim South, Onoyan for Paul Asamoah, DC, Achimansa, Onoyan for Richmond Kofi Amponsa, DC, Achiase. Now the Honorable Deputy Minister for Education, Onoyan for Gift to Chum Ampofo, and the special guest of Anna, Adwuma Day, Onenuanyam Ebabe Boye Chidom, Nananama Tankonyan so say, you have video piano, any piano, into Ahenkai 93.3 FM, cooking competition for senior high schools, Osbrem Pouncing Team Poko Tosumiansa, Achimman Sohini, na Osaya Benkumhima Kotoku traditional area, Akratigam, Sansuna, Nana Kwabena Ofori Otosumionu, Achim Akroso Hine, and Suba Betinagam, Naunim, Etuotua, Esibamabo, Anuti, Achim Abu Konte Hine, Nana Adwuma Ko Ankuma, any Achim Abu Hima, Nana Ousua Akoto Otosun 9, and so the one new Nyamba Betaj Medeyachi. Sukua Hudwa, Ebesia Kaina Makremaya Dena Nika, Ama competition Aya 12. Youth in Leadership and Skills Training, Takrasi, Odan Senior High School, Achimuda, Atramai Senior High School, Achimanso, Atefa Senior High School, Achimuda, Akwaso Senior High School, Achim Akwaso, Vision Vocational Institute, Achim Abuabo, Salvation Army Senior High School, Achim Wenchi, Achiasi Senior High School, Achim Achiasi. Oh, why never do Kunimo, Eyofufu, Upper Pransa, Banku, and more. any day konkontela prewa eya no pa no nkuko benumre no nsia paya ebedwa achima bo abubeye de MCs for this program Oboba Ofori Amanfo host Ahinkai 93.3 FM marching news editor Afia Ampofwa Ahinkai 93.3 FM Mr. Gentleman Kwabena Costy Adwuma ye and your unpredictable achinkwana na minumbremu wodi Ahinkai Kwame Yabua me say Ahinkai 93.3 FM we are the best in the East Bajawa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
We go to Jawele, we go celebrate tonight. Adia Sasepio, girls, Ati ya mukuya ya bechilia madiachi Barman mami too short Ene medilo to me be high rock Tell me where the party day yeah. I tell you we go nice up tonight. Come on everybody make we light up tonight. Everybody make we nice up tonight. Come on everybody make we light up tonight. Yeah, and yes, Sikari, yeah, the best guy. Saga, we see me, we wanna obey the kind. Yeah, in some, what's the shit? Abrabo Musem Dosso, baby, I didn't drink a soto, and baby, I am a photo. Ade, we get to kick and Tina Machabi, Penny Adio. Yeah, Genia, who's him in chalky. Ade. Mala menankuruma ya, menankuruma, lori madende, menankuruma ya, mala menankuruma. I tell you we go nice up tonight. Come on everybody make we light up tonight. Everybody make we nice up tonight. Our kodo, come on everybody make we light up. Crow, flow. Say, oh yeah, Jawele season. I don't call it the pigeon in a yellow cuckoo lab next time you did it. Right boy, you hear that make a pigeon macadam, the girl let me sugar. I'm not kidding. Guess in the Wugu what do you do? Bobino, what do you do? Be Bomo no. See the dollar pounds, motor by teacher, what do no ride or die, so the walk on a man to motu. Sika with Fiesika bank, get the bag. I turn the pop was out of stock, get the bag. Papa Juweni in a town for they pray on you always. You want to get the first, it's Mr. Barman. Mami made a woman send a car bad. Also, let's say a puppy with the baby.
Echo, my ending come about this song. Why did you release this song? Me say that.
I be say for shock say your man get out.
Oh no.
Oh, on the real, like I was surprised when the song came. Someone share.
Yeah. Meaning like there's this kind of freeway.
The guy I show you out.
There's this kind of freeway. Me say that.
Yeah. And you like I said there. This was a song I was about to release and Koube Bomu and because of many flow and only Ghana. So now video production I style be 80. Me catch and say let's put a hold on this song. Now me release the one with Kwame but no. So when it comes back to Ghana then
we do the video then release it's not just officially the more radio station.
It's your boy Shabo. How you get the song?
Shabo. No, this guy.
I saw go ahead.
Say Echo is a beast. Echo is a Charlie, come on, bro. Charlie, how you sing like that? That's not what Charlie.
Oh, say. Because sometimes I am me hear me one. Oh, if be I didn't be I that also be I and I effect also. On the word marvel. The word marvel means like wonderful, and I say surprise, like anything. Be I want to be marvelous. Yeah, so. I think say Sardina made it to me so no and I impact on me so because on a real like when you see me around like many people think say they don't perceive say I'm the person who sing these kind of songs but
wow.
So me I give all the glory to God because
right that's not me born way
hey
And Uncle four friends say no guy we are sure so from now. We shall for muti anyway. Nipa no boy am mo frɛ ka che me say o hana na no no studio ha no. It's in the studio today. I don't tight your boss way.
FM Marvel. Somebody rock it. See what they them. Put on your dancing shoes. Brian, yes sir. Robert Jim. Ton sunny when I dear sir. Yes sir, my dear sir. I say forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes sir. I say forget your problems, so my sister. Hey, happy yourself, cause if your problem be 99, thinking go make a 100. Timen to the moment, Brian, yes so be bye. I'll be bye. Brian, yes so. See what you can put on your dancing shoes. Brian, yes sir. Robert Jim. Don't stand it when I dear sir. Yes sir, my dear sir. I say forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes sir. I say forget your problems, so my sister. Hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. Brian, you're so be Baba Sue. Yes, sir. Oh, my auntie said Bosue. Baba Bosue. Baba Bosue be Baba Sue. Bosue. Baba Bosue be Baba Sue. High life. Yes, sir, my dear sir. Father boss will be back.
Wouldn't say Way happens to be one of my favorite songs.
Yeah, me personally, this is my favorite song.
Boss Way,
yeah.
Baby, I'm there no.
Yeah,
I think it's Endra will send Rich media motivational message.
Yeah.
See, if your problem is 99,
yeah, thinking go make 100.
So
now, forecast I say drinking go make 100.
No,
thinking. Say thinking, boys no mu trebi no say adwendwen na money trebi ti no thinking and drinking. Ti remember by remix na me the drinking na she waka.
It's a problem in 99
yeah, thinking go make am
fire and pieball.
Yeah.
Ni ade na so nti.
Yeah.
But adwendwen na be ka ho a.
Yeah.
Guy, you are too deep.
Oh yeah, unim this particular song song me dey inspire me ho, like me dey motivate me ho because me ti anu so because me come as him to say I be swam our time na so. And me when he say the music is all I have. Me shada ni down for baby. So me and say you see me walking alone, and the music is what inspires me. Inti any way there. Me to be me do honor. Na ma come me problems ni na boom. E bro 99 there, na ma 99. Na ma ka say no, me dey adwendwen ka ho a. E be square. It's me fan ka ho na ko ha. Yeah.
Right, so DJ Shabo so on bia dey bia obo man girlfriend.
Hey.
Yeah,
I can for mu you su me nyum
ni.
Yeah. Oh. Da da di di da da da. Da 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 di di da da da. Da 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 di di da da da. Na say obi de na kuma mawa. Wonso doni bi na ni na siwa. Wati mama uza dobi owo bide. Oda makuma ponso iti meto oba meto. Me the why me promotia me sound more for the be me nya hota I be by your side until the day I die. My love for when the day I pull off my eye, the better in my bread on me there. Yeah now I don't change now me buy and tell now become myself now ni we situation go me take my so now me chimu nya me there and yeah Domina me now be me there me there me never go oh baby yeah Domina me now be na
sana o dot
Domina me now be
Jahana mami Double bro chikakra Ono Jahana mami Okay see Domina me now be na sana o dot yeah wow when you say many one echo Domina me now be na sana o dot yeah wow
when you say many one echo
say mama
na Domina me now be pray me no one bo me de Domina me now be na sana o dot yeah Unimsa, Miniwana Crow, Ade, say what, say, that door, yeah, I won't call and I'm in your better. Me see me crying and me come on. Girl, I will always save my love for you. Hey, I won't come and I'm in your better now. Me see me crying and me come on. Or there be a one thing so trim me move. I hold the keys to your heart. Give your heart to me. No one will ever take your place. I hold the keys to your heart, oh yeah. No one will ever take your place, yeah. Empty domina mean no be, yeah. Pay me na mean pay will be, yeah. Now all that do, domina mean no be, yeah. Many wanna crow. I want to say why.
What do you mean by our dream? Say,
yeah.
When you're underground, be when you're upcoming, like you are there.
Yeah. Okay, boss. Who beside me personality? Me the make say I'm not there. Because me level now me person me do no. Me do mo. 0.1.
I think I'm saying this because this your songs, eh?
Yeah.
Right. Me tell you, I play your songs on radio. Yeah. For sending you.
Yeah.
So let me say this on radio. For sending you.
Yeah.
The mama no me the mixing idea and your voice I am made me okay me obi otonyo mama Mugis and AI yes
me tell my phone me no
me who like I see you in them yes AI say me tell AI nyum bia me kata me I see you
but when in BB Costy me no I listen a lot I've trained my ears and I was a music director melodies there me be every day, like on a normal, from Monday to Friday, I'm all about music. And no na meet me, I can say, are training me to this extent. But onto like now, I say I'm not an underground artist. I'm definitely not an underground artist. Me started showing it's over 20 years now.
Wow.
And me started commercially. Me putting my songs out there. Me the to online. Obi a home no. It's been like getting to a decade now. If you are just do the math. Ultimate in fact Obia or started 2 years, 3 years ago and compare me.
True.
And mini boafo, let me say it on record. Mini boafo. Sometimes
no record level.
Yes, aside the fact say it is only friends and family. And no crampo no won't say we are say identity who catch you when you say oh chairman menu way and me video we boa me crana or no nya obey but in ho. So what I say. And I've been able to chalk some success for myself even in this state of mind. Though I'm not an underground artist, my winning awards all over, but me who say Charlie Grammy na me person me do no me nyan do so I've not arrived. Even though like they play my song all over, but I have not reached there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Shabo say yen set agenda be.
Yeah.
So that you be like you can't ordain musicians and you be the first person be boarding.
Oh, so I'm put there who can Eastern regional artist will be a bomb and son our boarding we are for.
Right.
Mama feel proud say so many years now my brain like hey chairman because you be layer and this is what I wanted to see say Obi Bejiatum say yes what I'm doing needs attention.
What's that teacher Kwame Eugene?
Oh, chairman long time ago, even before
Game Gangster,
yeah, those people, me, my colleagues are Aruzi and Escobar.
Okay.
Meet me, I can say Aruzi and Escobar, and say no, I can do something. So they called me. You'll be a Ferrari pa. So back in the day, no, me koyenyum na. I know the show face. Like me family Mumbasa mean I'm here, so I'll just be behind. No mama on my shine, no, like they perform all over and was I'll be behind them. I'm friend me cry I don't go. Now me ferry there for real. It do maybe no thanks to my friend Boggy Wednesday. Only introducing me my Fancy Confederation family, no. And my mom said no, like I don't deserve to be back. and I grace. When the grace finds you, so 2 years crampo na ever find you. Like look at somebody like DJ Switch. So you can say shine and I say breakthrough. Age wise and ka DJ Switch unyandu hokra. Yeah. So the thing is, I am ready on a season. And you know, I'm just waiting for my appointed time.
Right. So you've been writing songs.
Yeah.
Of your own one out show no.
Yeah, me choma Crawford.
And come say what show no mo bia manum no blow ma show say we man ka wo to ade.
Yeah, you know, maybe a blower I am there. Oh, I prefer to be a ghostwriter. There are so many artists who are there. I mean, I'm sure on your mom.
Okay.
I don't want to mention them because if you are a ghostwriter, you don't as a ukobo didn't say I'm sure you tend to tarnish the image of the artist. But I am proud. Many I'm a penny say I lend a helping hand. It's not about money, but me yena say a course and I'm sharing na insure me because me no at least look say God bless you. It say a court mommy money me and it say I sing a song for you, I write the song for you now. When
credit to be
now when to me and deliver like because me when I write songs for you me to me frail ne kasana wo to chere me I delivery no hear me saying words na maturama no so if you are not able to deliver na hit emotions senior my songs do to other people na hammer and no na me but if you don't give me credit God has already blessed me with so many songs me I have so many songs written down.
I also would show me mommy.
Oh me I don't have a problem.
For real also with you show me mommy.
I don't have a problem.
Right. Echo we met at Kofodia.
Yeah.
Now kuta your friend said Bodia no. Uremu no what's na me tell say make the reason why Ella came to sit there. But now because sorry go. I don't have me house to come now, but man come. Who fly? I was he's a nice guy. But also my man come.
Oh, he can. Me ya kran kono ave kan ko.
Ana obi.
Ojina. Onka.
Onu obolofo memo mu afro mu yezi na wafo le osisi.
Abutre. O de yen kan bodia na wasem.
Enti me uze o fa bodia na o trans na o ye ni se hwe mi. O ye sign.
Okay, first of all, let me say this on record. This thing has no mystical backing bia. Any drobianim and Kobe bia. The only place I call in Cocoa Mountains. What I say, that is one of my homes. I go there intermittently to go and pray.
Okay.
And we in Kobe bia. You see, when you take African culture in perspective, who say Boduaye Adia Saubesha him for people with like authority mono traditionally they hold a whisk Budiano. It is a symbol of authority. Obia okitabia o feel say o to me be so what I say. Me ni to me be to me be so and I say bonsam to me and I say me nyame na ejuma. Adene kitame no traditionally is to signify that high life na me ye no music na me ye no nyakopon abestow authority be amame. So as an African doing African genre of music no I need to hold something a best signify say I'm holding authority. It's the idea way just the culture of it, the artistic view of it. And yet bosom sembia energy na who say me performing on stage me crew that fitting collaborate. Those of you are more than how many say na me sakiteni ade no. Ni a who stage no crowd ye class 2 crowd in do baby yeah. Energy ni there e wo hodada. Just that I let it out when I'm on stage because a honor na grown a bed but Boduane there it's just to signify say nyame be no me authority was so me like me to me say me yen ye so what I say it no nya hu pe say akoye obey the ade obey no power wom but say bia makohu kwaku fi kama hate that only baby abom say me wo baby cut say to me bia
I was surprised when we met at Cove Town.
Yeah.
Now performing in fact the auditorium, everyone was singing your song.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I was like, really? Because of
No. I must say on record, industry know I work for the like they have been very supportive for like 6 continuous years. We release this song. I don't even see that love in order. Like not to disrespect your effort, but senia bono na ka obi also boss enia bono and senia bono ko for area na enka like ka yeah, but me I believe say obi believing in me craft ni bia or be supporting me naturally. And you mean I say me be share say chinchina. But many man I say
exactly.
You know that is the
vibe. Me the reason why I play your songs is I believe in good crowds.
Yeah.
And also I believe in good music. Me I have ears for music.
Sure.
It is a no yame da o yame demebo.
Yo.
And then o yame demebo no and as I am there say I have a wonderful producer who also loves music. It is also tie no na.
No bonyu ni na wasasha.
Obonyosa. O push me say oh yentie taste. Success.
Yeah, minimum success.
Also pa church run man.
Oh, success. Yama we ni Yeah, day by day I want to be with you. Each and every day I cannot live without my boo girl. She be my sweet mamacita, sexy lady. This girl gonna kill me. Come meet my banana, pretty lady. Unkwani me baby, the way you move that thing and wanna cool me, yeah mommy, yeah Jimmy. When you move up there, yet wanna din in safi family tree. Obey me, yeah, cause serious, yeah. Mini obi ya momushie obuwadi en panty menyane ho adaje ono ne me fimpade e bebi ya odowo no doko timinti sika wari oturufo na wabedi mi sika bedi mi dama bejame wa mama kori abo oh ya nanta ono ane makoma menya mites mintini hujai ono ana mi yata oh ya mites oh ya berewa ono ane makoma Mintini hujai ono ana meyatake kwa duni nkati eneko tibura yento wa basako na yentra mansanse yedo yi shonko odoti yasema yenko kane upetre me yodo ewumeko sene oya me yanano I need more girl sene oya oni amano eno ne kumio yesi weni afura wonanya. But it be you my heart to beat for. Yes, when you try when in town. But it be you I want to live for. Now what I want, the vintage can worry out to the phone. I bet Timmy Sika, bet Timmy Dama, bet Jammy Mama. Yeah, Menami Case. Oh, yeah, Nanda. Oh, no one in my coma. Mintini Ujai. Oh, no one am yata. Oh, yeah, me case. Oh, yeah, better. Oh, no one in my coma. Oh, yeah, me taste. Mintini hujai, una na mayatake. Hey,
Charlie, you're a legend. You're a legend, trust me. Rejoice, if you have been on Facebook, says it's a freaky fun Friday. TGIF, good morning, Kwabena. Kobe Praise says Marvel City Live, High Life Legend. Or say Sawawa say another day.
Say what? Say yeah, one dummy, okay. Some line you
okay.
Like that.
Gosblay sends 3 fire emoji.
Yeah.
And Kobe Baby was just marvelous. Rejoice if Yabim says Marvel, I am in love with your voice. Why?
Hey, chairman for my pressure.
Shelly AC Tete say hashtag go Marvel, echo Marvel to the world. You do great. More fire, echo Marvel. You are a legend. I think I know this name.
Yeah, Shelly AC Tete. Oh, me number one fan back. Yeah, she's a very good friend of mine too. Right. So yeah.
Comments at Plateau as I watch you live from Accra, Domi. Plateau 9's mid morning. More. Is it more black? Also sending 3 fire emojis.
Yeah, man.
Odame, Mighty was saying, keep up doing good job. Blessed, right? So Janet Darkon says, please check his name on the screen. Okay. Okay, super marvelous. SCB Nancy Nkrumah says more vim.
Unim Nancy Nkrumah. Me mami.
Mommy, why Vivian? Mommy, why Vivian? Nancy Nkrumah. Mommy. Why wow, such a wonderful talent. Right, so I want us to talk about your with another tune. Hey, Shambo. Nana Yao was a higher brother, and Blaze was say, I see you, bro. Hey, the meeting can be GH. So say I'm enjoying. Right. So you can also send your messages through 0594-841-044 and I'll go on Facebook. Call WhatsApp. So please check the WhatsApp for me. I'll bet my WhatsApp is now for call is up in the building. And I'm going to watch now. So I think SHS cookie competition. School step by across the senior high school, Akshama Senior High School, Advanced Senior High School, Atifa Senior High School, Vision Vocational and Technical Training Institute, Salvation Army Senior High School, Achanti Senior High School, and Youth in Leadership and Skills Training. I watch now any about so here about the background. The Koma will be performing watch now. It's watch now there. Be say what was say. So I want us to talk about your new project. Shabo say opesa uko freestyle be answer. Your new project. So Ebusia, please. This is a Komavo of Chroma, Mama supporting him to the top. And that make can show to say I see a call to be the next Kwame Eugene from down here. Send your say Kwame Eugene are blown. A call must blow 2022. I say started hashtag a call must blow 2022 challenge. Somebody ready for a call? All right,
yeah. This is a command. Oh, you, yeah. I want to see the way you love me and know about me, pussy, yeah. Hey, freestyle. Okay. I want to see the way you love me and know about me, pussy, yeah. Say me surrender pa, me show when you ma. Hey, me say me share, baby. Me surrender pa, me show when you ma. Hey, me say me share, and she rain be oh. Oh, die away, dummy na me so me no be. Me do ya say, dummy na me so me no be. Oh, die away, dummy na me so me no be. Me do ya say, dummy yeah. Your family marvel, yeah, your family marvel. Eti, I miss it chucky. Mommy who say we like it, me. Odaba make the fanty. Hold on, chichi me and mommy who might say, now I go do something before you go home tonight. I say I go do something before you go home tonight. Yente araba. Makume muwa ya wunko Araba Saba, you make God feel you too much. Araba hold on a chicken me choking me one side. Araba Saba, I do bekumi. Just marvelous. Whoa, ja. Whoa, ja. Mintuminda, wadia me fawama, yeah. Me say mintuminda, wadia me fawama. Nala tola, and the faith unchayana mata. Araba make the fancy biama. Big up to Kura.
Shabo say who to Araba dia. Oh, surprise him out.
Oh na. Your family marvel, yes, marvelous. Yeah, Araba, I know they see anybody but you. Yeah, Obi Dobaye, Mensubi and baby, I got you. I just wanna be the one to make you smile, baby. Hold me tight, let's take a ride, yeah. Wanna be there for you, my baby, all for you. Girl, I choose to be with you. I say, well, I go give my heart to you. I go take a bullet, I go give it up for you, for you, for you, Araba, Araba, oh, Araba. My baby, baby, you like me, Sumabo, me Sumabo. Yeah, I'll give it up for you, yeah. For you,
I want them to tell you something. But before,
Yeah.
let's talk about your new project.
Yeah.
You and Kwame Eugene.
Kwame
Yogurt.
Yeah.
About to say, how did you meet him? Kwame is on the fire. All this creativity came.
Yeah. Well, the song itself, there, not my dada. Not a freestyle be. Early this year, there was a controversy about me not being an Eastern region artist, and that thing inspired me to do the song Cool. Yeah, so it's even on Audio Mark. And Kwame Yogurt there, like he's been a brother from way back. Once I've been in the industry for very long,
time, yeah.
And we go way back on any management. You know, in fact, the whole team is like a family thing. Miko school kakra. 2018 Miko school, and see, like me we school no, I wanted to come back, so I wanted to come back stronger. Inti minimum kasa, I said I have a couple of songs. Me all this while now me we breaking and now me recording songs. Inti me say me the back send in or doing some high life song be like that, and I'm the send in and he liked it. You know yourself be iti I did change no na me sa friend and say no Kwame me want you be my dada, but I feel say we now beat me riding on very well. Me this say it was like, hey, me this sending and I see yo obey. Like he and the team were there. Obia say no, Kwame say he go do the thing. He be in our way he go do. It's not all about that. Me I think August no Kwame Eugene be any show no.
Okay.
And offer me no part 2 say Kwame Eugene mo di kind or no beba. It's make a try na me bookie studio na on your verse no, because on also be releasing the EP and sure not when your time on your verse na mama so me what na yenye work no. Yeah, so when it came to oda you connected na yenso ye twa cipher video e water like I had to look sharp na me bookie kasapana. Yeah, so you bookie na okoye.
Oh, so Kasapa recorded this song.
Yeah, but beat nankasa de if in Nigeria na buy if in Nigeria me engineer be on Nigeria no bo beat no mama. So it was like a fast connection and then we had to put it
right. So ladies and gentlemen, my ain't here the brand new song, brand new music from Ekomavo and Kwame Yogurt. Cool. And I'm born you with us 48 times. I'm born them
From me Marvel loves me. Yeah. O'Brien Con.
I love this one.
This
gonna be the first one. But I remember the mom.
Our destiny is alive. We go kill them with sweet high life. Our destiny, yeah, it is alive. Now so we go kill them with high life music.
Right, so folks, we say like how what?
Your friend me marvel.
Just marvelous. What do you say?
Yeah. So this be the song, eh? All right.
Yeah, with that me. Yeah, me say, be shame so. Yeah, me ko. Ni amaye, ni na so manyo. Ade amiye, ni na ye manyo. Kowu, we here kowu me hu na ni ebesi bia no we move. Kowu, we here kowu me see me hu wo ya me there one time. Kowu, we here kowu. We ya kowu. We here kowu. Our destiny is alive. We go kill them with sweet high life. Our destiny, yeah, it is alive. Now so we go kill them with high life. Go. We ya. We here. We ya. Go. We here. Go. What's why I see a fomu. I don't go tomu. Obi girl somu. I been swim you know. I don't wait the yourself from air police. You trying to short to grandpa polu. Yeah, me ya no dream one dream bebo. I do was we share ban chimem left you me wo. Kwame yogurt near coma vo nyomo jon ho a unya ni solution. On tiasie solu. Yeah, the high life for ball life for street. Mama bonim pa ba haka tree. Dada di. So I say high life music, sweet feelings. Come on now everybody, take your body, yeah. High life music is our life. Now we go hold them for life. Yeah. Na di da. Go.
Right, so the video is out there.
Yeah, the video is out.
Right,
Doing
I was
so
there.
well.
My man come to me. Right, so when we were shooting this video, I was
were
there. I'm hobby, and they shoot 2 videos.
Yeah.
Myself and
Sir
John
and
Kojo Paradise.
Yeah.
Me want to go for free, but me nyabo tell. I'm reading messages way. Priscilla Odro entry was a powerful song. That's from the man Ekomavo. Team Isaac says too much. Marvel, great. One of more blessings. Blackface and him to Bishop's brother. I was saying, watching and loving every bit of it. Kudos. Ahin Ebenezer, I was saying, may the Lord be with you to move forward. It's your student of Esubwa RC. Okay.
Yeah.
Umami Babi was said that's the wonderful Marvel boy. Now you see in Chroma. Nana Kwame Kingsman was say equality the world. Brad Domain was say this song is really great. Nana Ekriamwa, I see DJ Lanes from Enyuase. You do all.
Enyuase. Hey, Charlie. Oh yeah. Kumasi Kwani Suberi. Yeah, my performing order.
Come out will say you are a blessing.
Yeah.
Sorry. Kobe Praise. I see you are a blessing. Echo.
Yeah.
Right. Nana and Koma Manfo. I started following Echo when I was a kid, and in fact he's really good artist and I really love him very much. Please tell him to keep it on because his success is on the way coming. He's going to be the biggest art in the world. Yes, I need them to trust me. Right, so 0554820910. Your time no dey so but Borebubi 0554820910 now 0201944485. Borebubi, I mean I want you to talk to your Komavo, the superstar. So hit here. Only nankasa na only nankasa biom. Cause encha we hit it. You Kroma no na kwa miji me get no chire ye wa. Your first nankasa free. Hello. Yes, your first nankasa free. Right, me pa you you. Oh, chale, enyo de guy for. We feel it.
What's missing me that say?
Right, that's it. 0554820910 0554 8209100 0201944485. Your first song as a free.
Hello.
Yes, boss. Your first song as a free. Right, maybe I tell a call here.
And I was that's only me. Alloy. And then I left Blackmore.
Oh.
Degree.
But I say, oh, boss, me my good morning, me my good morning, me that my sister with you. Why? Alloy.
Yeah, Frost, I got free. Hey, stagger. Wow.
What's that, boss?
That's it. Yeah, Frost, I got free. Hey, brother Rich. Right, why it's you?
Yeah. Emre ninkaso. Odayarin paso na uhumre hon faso onye. Obreya who bunny say
who's about to friend 0554820910. Sometimes I am many brain. Your first as a free. Would you now say first as a free? Hello. Yes, boss. Hey, I send you for you back up. We're too much.
Nyamini hine boss.